guys, how are we? It's Chris here from the Key Guys. Today we've got the Dolphin XP-005L and we're doing some device calibration. In this episode we will be inserting the cutter and the probe. First thing is just remove this clamp using this here. First we'll do the probe. So just loosen the grub screws that come with the machine. Push that probe all the way up and just tighten that grub screw up. Do it nice and tight. There you go. And now with the cutter, they come with a groove, and that's where that grub screw actually holds that in. So again, loosen your grub screw, pop it all the way up, and then just tighten that grub screw up. Do that quite tight. So both of them are all the way up, and then you can reinsert your clamp. And with that, close your clamp all the way up on the A side, and then you can watch the next video on how to do the height calibration. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you today, and thanks for watching.